Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install Frida and burpsuite certificate on Android device. And as you see it on the screen, first of all we need to export the burp certificate to the file system, and we need to make sure we have DER extension at the end. And as soon as we exported it on our file system, we're then going to upload it to our physical device. And in order to do that, we have the adb push command, which will essentially upload it to my downloads folder on a device. And then we need to go to encryption and credentials on our device in the settings. So the black screen you see, I need to perform authentication in order to access that functionality. But as soon as I passed it, I can install the certificate, but it was only installed in the user section, and yeah, as you see, and not in the system section. It means that I will not be able to observe any traffic. So to fix that, we have the cert fixer magic module, which will essentially fix that problem for us and move the certificate from the user to the system section. So let's go and install the cert fixer. To that, we again have to upload it to our physical device. And of course, in Imagisk, you go to the modules, you go to install from the storage and choose our cert fixer. As soon as it's ready, just reboot the device. Okay, it was installed. Let's check our certificate. Yeah, here it is. It's in the system right now. So we can see the traffic coming from the applications. Let's go and set up our proxy settings on our physical device. So we go to the Wi-Fi and change our host name to the host name that we have in our burpsuite. When we change the proxy and host, we can observe the traffic. And you can see it's working right now. So we can move to the Frida installation right now. Okay, and now we are going to install Frida. So the first link in Google, it's Frida. I'm in the releases section, so you want to make sure that you have the latest updates available. So if you happen to be on a main screen, the releases will be on the right. Again, make sure that you have the latest version available. And also, in my case, I have Android IRM 64, so I'm going to download Frida server for IRM. Then I'm going to unpack it. As soon as that unpacked, I'm going to rename it and upload it to my device. Okay, I'm going to upload it. When it was uploaded, I'm going to change permissions to be able to execute it. Okay, and then I'm enabling the root and remounting my system to even run the Frida, because it won't run. And this is the exact command that you have to run every time when you're trying to execute Frida. So yeah, as you see, it's working. I just checked it, and in this particular screen, I'm bypassing the Android SSL pinning with the script from this guy, expected failure. You can Google that up. Yep. And I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.